What is up? It's your girl Shay, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I thought it would be a great idea for me to do a full face tutorial, as I'm always asked what type of products I use and how I use them. I wish someone would have done this for me, but I am doing this for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this full face tutorial. And if you by any chance did not capture which product I was using, just know that they will all be listed in the description box below. So if you have not already subscribed, please do so. And for those of you that have, thank you so much for your support, for it means so much to me, and I wish that you continue to do so. And as I always say, until next time, keep smiling.